Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe, and today we are discuss about food wastage. What is food wastage? Food wastage refers to the discarding or loss of food as various stages of the food, their supply chains from productions and processing to the distributions, consumptions and disposal. It encompasses both edibles food that is uh, that is thrown away from the food that is lost due to spoiling, damage or uh, emplacements in handling and storage. So what are the problems in the that? So food wastage is a global issue that affects economics, societies and the environment on a massive scales. So according to the Food and Agriculture Organization, that means FAO of the United Nations, approximately one third there is one third of the food production produced for human consumption is lost of wastage and lost of wasted annually amounting to about 1.3 billion tons of food wastage each year. So what are the there are some causes of the food wastage. So we can discuss one by one. So the first is food wastage occur due to combinations of factor at various stages of the food supply chains. So first in production, so there are losses occur due to factors such as pests, disease, adverse weather conditions and post harvesting handling practices. Then the next is processing and distributions. So in that, food may be wasted during the processing, packagings, transportations and storage due to inefficient spoilage or damage. Then the next, in retail, there are supermarkets and retailers often discarded edibles food due to the acidic imperfections, overstocking or exploitation debates. So the next is consumption. So in that consumption, the consumer contribute to the food wastage through behavior such as overbuying, overbuying through storage and discarding edibles food due to the aesthetic preference or misconceptions about the food safety. Then the next is in food service industry. There are restaurants, hotels, catering services. Then generate significant food waste due to portion sizes, menu planning, and unsold or leftover foods. So, what are the environmental impact of the food wastage? So, food wastage has several environmental consequences, contributing of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, biodiversity, loss and water scarcity. So, when food when the food is decompensates in landfills, it emits methane and potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. The production of waste food also entails the unnecessary consumptions of natural resources such as water and energy, exacerbating environmental uh, environmental degradations and resources depletion. So, what are the social and economic implications? So, food wastage has profound social and economic implications, exacerbating the food insecurity, poverty, and inequality. Wasting food means secretive resources that would have been used to feed hungry people, exacerbating food insecurity and hunger in communities around the world. So the next is food wastings food wasting are also represent. They are also represent in the significance squared resources that could have been used to feed hungry people. That food wastage also represent a significant economic loss for producers and retailers. So and the consumers with estimated cost running into $1 billion a year. What are the challenges in addressing food wastage? Okay, so addressing food wastage requires coordinate efforts across the food supply chains and the involvement of multiple stakeholders. Challenges to reducing the food wastage includes that's first point is lack of awareness and understandings about our scale impact food wastage among the consumers, businesses, and policymakers. So this all information about the wastage of food. So thank you.